Hey everyone, welcome to Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Kohl's credit card account. If you're watching this for the first time before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. You can open up any web browser you want. In the search box at the top, type in Kohl's credit card login and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see numerous of search results. Click on the first link that you see and you'll be taken to this page. Credit Kohl's.com. You'll be able to see a login area displayed on the screen. With your credit card account, you can pay your bills online, request a credit line increase, sign up for paperless statements, access our account securely, and also receive transaction information. Type in a username in the box where it says username. In case you've forgotten your username, you can click on this Forgot Username link right next to it and follow the instructions to look for it. Now head over to the password field after you're done and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right hand. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after entering all your credentials in, click on the Submit button in green, and you'll be logged into your Kohl's credit card account in no time. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us, and send it back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.